Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I would like to talk to you about 3 penny stocks I think have a lot of potential to grow. But before we dive in, I would ask you to drop a like, leave a comment, maybe consider subscribing. Before diving into the new stocks we're going to be discussing today, I would like to talk to you about the stock I recommended yesterday, ABML. It went up 6.33% today, which I think is pretty healthy growth. And looking at the 1 month shape, considering we had a big sell-off on last week, I think we still have room to grow. So I think it can easily go another 5-10% before it gets another correction. Another stock we discussed on Sunday was Hcmc. These guys went up 125% on Monday when the stock market opened, and then they were trading sideways. Today they went down 25%, so it's a healthy correction because they went up 130% yesterday, so they needed the correction. For this particular stock, I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna perform, but they still have that lawsuit coming up with Philip Morris, and considering that this company is just a $200 million cap, and the Philip Morris already spent more than $3 billion on their electronic cigarette, I think that this company, if they win the lawsuit, can easily 3-4x. Now to the stocks I would like to talk to you about today. So first one is Tesla Enterprise, ticker TSNP. Those guys are merging with the company called Humble. And for the good news, Humble Financial launches Block ETX products in over 100 countries. So what it is pretty much kind of similar to mutual funds and ETFs, but it is all based on blockchain. Block ETX delivers new technologies in a proven format for the blockchain trading markets and other assets classes over time. So these Block ETX are not intended to be invested services or advice, but rather are completely non-custodial, algorithmically driven financial technology services that allow customers to purchase and hold digital assets and pre-allocations through their own exchange accounts. So think about them kind of as ETFs, but with blockchain. Looking at their chart, we can see that they had a correction on Thursday and Friday, as most of the companies had last week, and since Monday they were going up, and they went up 45%. If we look at the 1 month chart, we can see that they just got to the point where they were a week ago, so I think they still have ways to go up more. Next company is Green Concepts Bearish company. So their task is to provide with high quality, healthy, enhanced beverages choices that meet nutritional needs of consumers while enhancing their mind, body, and spirit. As of right now, these guys have bottled water that they sell. It's called Be Water, and it's artesian water that they bottle in the Blue Ridge Mountains and with pure artesian spring water. They, as of end of December 2018, they already have land and equipment, so they're actually a company that produces something. Why water is because there are 10 billions of gallons consumed just in the United States, and bottled water sales increase by 7% yearly. And another interesting thing, they're not going to be just selling just water. They have another product called Hcmc, and Hcmc is a new hemp extract beverage formulated with support to health immune system. It helps to relieve stress, provides natural soothing relief from muscle discomfort. That's how it looks like. Those guys went bananas for the past week, so they pretty much gained 600%, and pretty much since Monday they went up 240%. If we're looking at the chart, those guys went up significantly, and there is a possibility they're going to have a correction tomorrow, but overall this penny stock looks kind of interesting to me. I'll keep an eye on them. And they also have some great news that came out today. So the Green Concept finalizing sales and marketing agreement with Upstart Kombucha LLC with immediate multi-channel distribution opportunities in the Rocky Mountain region, setting groundwork for further expansion national. The Upstart Kombucha LLC will provide sales and marketing support for the growth of Green Concept Broker. So now they're not just by themselves, now they have the help of another big company that develop craft brewed flavored drinks. I think that might be pretty big for them. And those news just came up today. And the first company I will be talking about is Anxiolytics Inc., ticker ENZC. So Anxiolytics Inc. is a drug development company committed to commercializing of proprietary proteins for treatment of infectious diseases. They have some great news that came up just recently. They're developing antibodies for HIV treatment, and those antibodies has recently found 7 conserved target sites on the HIV viruses. So it could be easier to suit antibodies for each identified area. So these guys do treat infectious disease, including HIV, and with this new discovery, they can produce their drugs that are even more focused and more efficient treating those diseases. These guys went up 2,750% for the past 6 months, which is just crazy. And for the past month, you can see that they went down 32% on that big sell-off last week. But then since then they recovered and then went up 70% already. If we look at the 5-day chart, we can see that they kind of went up on Monday, then we're trading sideways, then went up again on Tuesday, traded kind of sideways, maybe a little bit up. So because they just had those news today, I think they can go up even more. This video was made for entertainment purposes only, and those penny stocks I discussed today are high risk, high reward stocks. So you can gain a lot, but you can also lose all the money you invested in them. So please be careful and do your own research. And this is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked what you heard, please leave a like, drop a comment, maybe consider subscribing. There is also a link to the Patreon down below, where I post daily what I sell and buy and the call options I do. You will also get an access to the Discord, where I discuss between myself and others what I do throughout the day. Thank you so much for your time and have a great trading week.